Welcome to Beautyistic, where we give you the lowdown on all things beauty. Today, we're diving into the L'Oréal Paris Glossing Lamination Hair Mask with Glycolic Acid, a product aimed at boosting shine and smoothness, especially for those with dull, dry, color-treated hair. Now, let's break this product down. The L'Oréal Paris EverPure system, which includes this glossing mask, is designed to rejuvenate color-treated hair. It's a sulfate-free treatment set, meaning it's gentle on the hair and won't strip away the color. The key ingredient here is glycolic acid, which is known for its ability to smooth hair cuticles, providing a sleek and shiny finish. The formulation is vegan and free from sulfates, parabens, phthalates, and gluten, so it's all about giving you a gentle cleanse while protecting that precious color. The scent? It's lightly fragranced with refreshing bergamot and peony notes, offering a subtle floral aroma. Now, I put this product to the test. Using the system as instructed, I applied the shampoo and conditioner a few times a week as recommended. When I got to the mask, I made sure to leave it on for the full 5 minutes. Right off the bat, I noticed how smooth my hair felt. It didn't weigh my hair down, and there was a noticeable boost in shine. After drying, my hair had this glass-like glossy finish. But I'll be honest, I didn't see a massive change in terms of long-term softness or moisture, which left me wondering if this is more of a quick shine fix rather than a deep hydration treatment. Pros? Definitely that shine factor. This mask delivers a glossy finish that's hard to beat. Plus, I love that it's vegan and free from harsh ingredients. The fragrance is light, so it won't overwhelm you. It's easy to use and fits well into a routine without adding too much time or effort. On the flip side, there are a couple of cons to consider. While it offers impressive shine, I didn't feel it delivered much in the way of long-lasting moisture. For those with extremely dry hair, this might not be enough to make a huge difference in hydration. Also, while the mask doesn't weigh my hair down, I didn't find it to be as deeply smoothing as some other treatments on the market. So, is this worth the price? If you're looking for that instant shine and you have color-treated hair, it's definitely worth considering. However, if you're after deep moisture and long-term hydration, you might want to look elsewhere. When comparing it to other glossing or smoothing masks, L'Oréal's offering is a solid choice, especially considering the price point. Some high-end options might give you better moisture retention or deeper nourishment, but for an affordable option, this one definitely stands out in terms of giving your hair that glassy shine. The build quality is what you'd expect from L'Oréal, reliable and well-established in the beauty industry. The packaging is simple and practical, with no frills but all the essentials. As for longevity, I can't speak to long-term effects since I've only been using it for a few weeks, but the immediate results are promising. I haven't had to reach out to customer support for this product, but L'Oréal is known for its solid customer service. If you have any issues, you can generally expect a helpful response. If you're looking for alternatives, you might want to check out other sulfate-free glossing treatments from brands like Ouai or Briogeo. They come with similar promises of shine, but some may have a richer hydration profile. In conclusion, if your goal is a temporary shine boost with minimal fuss, L'Oréal's Glossing Lamination Hair Mask is worth a shot. It's easy to use, effective for short-term shine, and fits into your routine without breaking the bank. If you need something more hydrating or long-lasting though, you might want to keep searching. And hey, if you like this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more beauty tips and reviews. We're here to keep you glowing. Thanks for joining me on Beautyistic. See you next time, and remember, your beauty journey never stops shining.